Today we're going to speak about custom views and specifically the My Custom View menu, which has been added to the console in version 4.3 of Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. Custom views can be very helpful for administrators, especially in large environments, allowing them to group views and provide focused information to colleagues within the console. In my example, I have a group of all pools which contain a specific search string, desktops within those pools, and remote apps within the desktop pools. The My Custom View menu, which will be standard on all user desktops, contains useful information such as all running hosts, all user sessions, all scheduled tasks within the environment, and all remote apps published within the environment. If we briefly focus on the All Scheduled Task menu, this is really useful for understanding what tasks are in play within your AVD environment and when those tasks will be occurring. The My Custom View menu can be controlled from the Settings Custom Views menu, where the menus can be assigned to specific users or groups, or removed if desired. Thank you very much for your time. I hope this video has been useful, and we hope to see you again.